What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We got to go over Baby Doge today. As you can see, we have been trading sideways for the day, but we're going to go over what could happen next with Baby Doge and what we got going on inside Baby Doge. So definitely hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description. And if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App or PayPal donation link in the description. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. So let's go straight over Baby Doge. We are still in control by the bears by 80% in the 24-hour market control, even though we are going sideways here with Baby Doge. So you can see that we are below the support of 3.2 right now, 3.276, somewhere around there. So we're below the support, and you can see the red area is pretty much showing we have less demand in these areas for Baby Doge. So it's going to be a little bit harder for us to break out. And you can also see here on the oscillator that we still have some selling pressure, but it's starting to get smaller and smaller because when we had this whole huge drop, the selling pressure was huge, but now you see the selling pressure is starting to get less and less. So this is definitely what we need right now. We need more buying coming in Baby Doge. Right now, we still have the selling, and we're still below this support line of 3270. So now that we're below that support line, what we need to do right now is try to pass this little supply and demand here, pretty much getting past 3.3. After we pass 3.3, you'll pretty much see Baby Doge go from 3.3 all the way up here to about 3.7. So that's the next area where we have less demand. So that's the next area where we could possibly get a rejection at. Now, we also have to remember the Super Bowl going on is Saturday. So, yes, Super Bowl should be tomorrow, the 13th, Sunday. I almost forgot. But yeah, the Super Bowl, we're supposedly supposed to get a huge pump because you got to think about it. There's going to be huge promotions for the Super Bowl. And a literal billionaire said he's going to donate $1 million during the Super Bowl of Bitcoin. So that's going to be huge. And yeah, a lot of people are about to get some money off of that. But anyways, if this pump really happens, I mean, supposedly crypto.com is going to be advertising there. Binance is going to be advertising there. Coinbase is going to be advertising there. We're going to have so many different exchanges advertising during the Super Bowl at the Super Bowl. So this is going to be pretty big for crypto. We already know crypto.com is going to do it. They literally advertise everywhere, every sports event, every website. Crypto.com they're just advertising gurus, like literally advertising literally everywhere. So we could definitely see a reversal, and this is definitely like the calm before the storm. So you see that everything is literally trading sideways right now from Bitcoin to Ethereum. Look, 0.2% down for the last 24 hours. This is trading sideways. And then Ethereum, 0.2%, 0.1%. All of this stuff is trading sideways. XRP is pretty much the only thing that's doing some weird movements. But other than that, everything is pretty much trading sideways. Now, Baby Doge is still trading sideways. So we can actually see the actual price of Baby Doge here. I think CoinGecko kind of has everything wrong right now. So I don't think CoinGecko has updated where Baby Doge is truly at. I mean, this is where they're saying that it's at right now. So I don't know which one's right at this point. If the OKX through TradingView is right, or if the other one is right. But this is TradingView viewing the OKX chart. So hopefully this is like the right prices here. But anyways, we definitely see that Baby Doge has been trading sideways. So it's the calm before the storm. Tomorrow is going to be a big day for crypto. Hopefully Baby Doge gets to eat off of this promotion from the Super Bowl. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Hopefully Baby Doge gets to eat off this, but I definitely want to see what's going to happen next. Anyways, we have these supply and demands here that we need to get past, and we'll probably end up passing them tomorrow. Like I said in my previous video, I did the whole technical analysis showing where Baby Doge could possibly go. And it was pretty much me just saying that Baby Doge right now would go and shoot up to this area here around 3.7, possibly even getting the 3.8 before it takes a downtrend. And if the Super Bowl pump is big enough, we could actually get up to the next area of resistance, which is pretty much around 4.4 all the way up here. So that's if the whole pump for the Super Bowl is huge and every single crypto is eating off of it. Then we can see that happening in Baby Doge going all the way up to 4.4 and possibly even up to 5.2 resistance if the pump is big enough. So we don't know how big that pump is going to be. We don't even know if we're going to get any benefits off of it, but we're going to see what's going to happen. Like I said, though, it's just going to be a temporary pump. People are going to be excited. They're going to buy in. and then you're probably going to see whales and stuff sell out, and some smaller retail traders selling, because like my video said yesterday, the whales really aren't the ones that are selling right now while it's low. Like the paper hands people, they're selling at the low prices. What the whales do, they let the pumps happen, like the Super Bowl pump, and then if it's above 20% in profit, then they'll sell. Because you got to remember, 10% for the buy, 10% for the sell. So the only time you're making money with Baby Doge is if you're up 21%. And even at 21%, you only made 1% of your money. You literally only made 1% gains. So the whales, they're doing it smart. They're like, look, we're not just going to be day trading and doing all this crazy stuff in Baby Doge. The only time you see them do that is when they're manipulating the prices. But when they're actually trading, trying to make that profit, you're going to see them wait days before they actually make a trade, because it has to be above 21% for them to make any kind of profit. So that's just pretty much how it is with Baby Doge. So it's not probable to trade Baby Doge. It just really is not. You don't want to do that. It's really not smart. But if you see Baby Doge is up huge, then you can do it. But like when I say trade, I mean day trades, like doing little day trades and trades here and there. It's okay to take out profits every now and then if you have huge profits. That's okay. But like you don't want to just try to day trade Baby Doge. It doesn't work like that. The tokenomics will eat up your profits literally. But yeah, this is I'm trying to keep the video small for today, because I know a lot of people have been mentioning that they want smaller or shorter videos. So I'm definitely going to do this for you all and make a little bit shorter videos. But I will be making multiple videos inside the days. Then they just to break them up inside of smaller intervals, right? But today is only going to be one video. But yeah, this is what we got going on for today. That we have 2,600 people inside of Baby Doge that just now came in the last 24 hours. We have 18.21 trillion burned, which is around $45,000 if I'm correct, somewhere around $45,000. That's pretty good right there. We're burning a lot of coins, and we're still doing some all right volume. The volume is still pretty low, but there's actually something big that I wanted to talk about today. So we're gonna go over the whales in a second here. But I just now closed out the Binance Smart Chain. Let's just type in BSC Baby Doge again, because I just now closed out on the Binance Smart Chain for some reason. All right, so I wanted to show this. We have 1.4 million holders here. 1,402,853. That's a lot of holders, so that's pretty good. I just wanted to show that. But what I really wanted to talk about is this right here. We're trending on CoinGecko, even though we are down. Even though we're trading sideways, even though we're down, we're still trending on CoinGecko, meaning the Baby Doge army is still strong. And on top of that, look at this tweet here from the official Baby Doge Twitter. So they said ETH has Sheeb, BNB has Baby Doge. So yes, we're trying to get past 1 million followers here on Twitter. But at the bottom, look at what they said. They said, "Are you for the people?" And then they typed EU Johnny. EU Johnny is actually the CEO of Kucoin. So this is actually pretty big. So just the fact that he's the CEO of Kucoin and Baby Doge is now trying to get him to list Baby Doge. So I definitely think that Baby Doge will be listed on Kucoin. I don't know when, but we just gotta wait, be patient. Now, I don't think Kucoin is following Baby Doge, and even the CEO isn't. I checked all the people that the CEO is following. He's not following Baby Doge. But usually, when CEOs in crypto exchanges follow the crypto that they're going to list, they follow it right before they list it. They don't follow it until they're ready to announce that they're listing it. So we're not going to see them just randomly follow Baby Doge like that. They're probably going to make sure that they have the listing inside of the works and that they have a release date, and then that's when they follow Baby Doge, and then that's when the hype starts. So we won't see Baby Doge anywhere inside of Kucoin. You see they're following Dogelon Mars. I'm not sure if they listed Dogelon. They probably did list Dogelon, but yeah, they're not following Baby Doge. You can go through here and look yourself. They're following a lot of different coins, but I couldn't find Baby Doge. Let me know if you all can find Baby Doge. They're following Dogecoin. We just passed it, but I do not see any places here for Baby Doge. So I do not think they're following Baby Doge, but that's not bad. Like I said, they're probably just gonna follow Baby Doge whenever they're ready to list. But yeah, you can go through with our 832 or 800 and whatever followers, and you will not find Baby Doge here. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna stop scrolling in a second. I don't know, it's kind of addicting to keep scrolling here. Right there, we're at the bottom. So yeah, they're not following Baby Doge yet, but hopefully they follow Baby Doge very soon. So anyways, this is pretty much all I wanted to go over. And yes, we are on the biggest exchange inside of Canada, which is Economy, literally the biggest Canadian exchange. That's actually pretty good for us. Now, it's not that big of an exchange, but for Canada, I guess they are the biggest inside Canada. I don't know how entirely true that is, but it's the biggest Canadian crypto exchange because, yeah, obviously you can use like crypto.com and Binance and Coinbase and all that inside Canada, but they're not Canadian companies. This is an actual Canadian company, so they're probably the largest out there in Canada. So that's definitely pretty good for Baby Doge. The fact that we're getting the Canadian holders in on Baby Doge now. So that's definitely pretty good right there. And as you can see, they're following Baby Doge. I told you exchanges will follow the cryptos that they list. As you've seen inside of Kucoin, they're following a lot of different coins because they have a lot of different coins listed. So I'm going to keep watching the followers for the CEO of Kucoin. I'm going to keep watching the followers for crypto.com. And yeah, crypto.com is pretty much at the same spot right now. They haven't followed Baby Doge or anything like that. But when they follow Baby Doge, that's when we have the confirmation that they're going to be listing. That's when we get that confirmation. For right now, it's all rumors. And yeah, we just don't know what is going on with it. It's all rumors. We don't know if they're listing. We don't know if Binance is listing or Coinbase. They're all just rumors right now. But what we do know is we are on the crypto.com wallet, which really isn't a big achievement because you just got to think wallets are they're just DeFi. Like it's really not a big deal to get listed onto a wallet. Getting listed onto an actual centralized exchange though, that's a big deal. But a wallet, it's not a big deal. It's like Baby Doge being on Trust Wallet. Like Baby Doge is, you can get Baby Doge on Trust Wallet very easily. You can just buy it on PancakeSwap and then add the contact address. But the only difference with having it on the wallet is actually on the actual app. But yeah, it's not really that big of a deal. But I definitely want to see us on the crypto.com exchange. But yeah, anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all. I just wanted to go over all the good stuff we got going on in Baby Doge, just put some hope out there in the Baby Doge community. A lot of people have been getting paper hands, selling. A lot of people have been panic selling. So I don't want to see that happen inside the Baby Doge community. But it is what it is. People are going to do what they're going to do. And like I said, the whales are not the ones that are really dumping Baby Doge. Yes, there are whales selling, and you can see them every single day. But you also see large purchases, like this whale right here sold 21.84 trillion. This is the top Baby Doge whale, and this is actually an exchange. I think this is OKX exchange, but they buy and they sell. They buy and they sell because they're the exchange. And if you buy on OKX exchange, you're pretty much buying into this wallet. You're really not buying Baby Doge. You're just buying like an IOU into this wallet type thing. So yes, they're obviously going to be selling, but this is a result of all the paper hands people. As people sell, they sell. And as people continue to buy on the exchange, they start to buy more. But you're seeing right now that there's a lot of selling for the OKX exchange wallet because people are selling Baby Doge at mad prices. So 21 days ago, 20 days ago, remember, this is when Baby Doge was pumping. Notice how they're buying because Baby Doge was pumping. They had no reason to sell. Everyone's buying, so they have to accumulate more Baby Doge for that IOU, quote unquote IOU is pretty much what it is because you don't really own it. They own it. So you owe them or they owe you or whatever. But anyways, remember 32 days ago, we did have a little bit of a downtrend right before the pump. So that's why you see the sells. So you just got to kind of watch the whale wallets and watch what they're doing. And that top whale wallet I just showed, that's the OKX exchange. So it really doesn't count, but it does because a lot of people are in on OKX exchange. Now this one right here is also a exchange. I don't think actually no, this one's not an exchange. I think this is actual whale. Yeah, because if it was an exchange, it would show the exchange name here. But this actual whale here, they're buying. That's why I'm showing you all. Like it's not what you think. The whales are not dumping. The actual whales are buying. If you're seeing exchanges are only selling because paper hands people are selling. So they got to sell to cover that cost. And it's just how it works with exchanges. So be wary of what's going on inside of Baby Doge. It's really not as bad as you think. And when you do see sales coming from actual, not actual people, but actual people, the whales inside, because whales aren't people, right? But anyways, actual whales, then those are the buying orders when you see the whales. But anyways, this is another exchange. Gate.io, they're selling because the paper hands people, the retail traders are selling. So no, the whales are not selling. I know I mentioned this yesterday, but I just keep getting a lot of people commenting saying the whales are dumping, the developers are the whales and they're dumping. No, you're not seeing whales dump. You're seeing only retail traders and then the exchanges selling because of the retail traders selling and they're covering that cost. And this is also, I think, a whale right here. So we do have a whale here selling, but they're buying way more than they're selling. This is 14.25 trillion that they bought, which is $49,000. But then when you go over here and you look at what they're selling, 105 billion, that's nothing compared to $45,000. And then you see over here 8.1 billion, that's nothing. 19 billion, that's nothing. So it's really all nothing compared to the thousands of dollars that they're actually buying. They're just selling $100 here, $300 there, $500 there, and then they're going ahead and buying. So this is kind of like price manipulation, kind of, but this is the good kind of price manipulation. They're buying more than they're selling. So that's all we need to worry about with that whale. And then, anyways, for this whale right here, they call this one, I think, what do they call this one? Oh, yeah, this is just a regular whale. This isn't the humpback. This is a regular whale. We were looking at humpbacks, which were pretty much the, not that, I don't know if they're developers or not, but mainly they were exchanges. They could be developers, probably are developers since they probably have the most inside Baby Doge. But still, now we have the regular whales here and they're really not doing much selling. If you look at it, yes, it is 18.4 trillion. I think that's trillion. Yeah, this is 18.4 trillion 18 hours ago, but they're selling progressively. They're not selling like 24 selling, like 24/7, just dump, 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 dump. No, they're doing it like week by week. They're selling off their Baby Doge, which is a pretty bad idea for them. This is going to bite them in the butt inside the future. But anyways, this is what you get whenever you get people that make a bunch of money inside of an asset. But yeah, the whales aren't the main ones selling, just the paper hands people are the main ones selling. The whales are buying, 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 and buying. Some whales are selling, but a majority of them buying. Anyways, when we get down to the actual bottom support, if we get down to the bottom support, that's when we're going to see the most of the buying from the whales. And right now, we haven't even seen the most. Right now, we're seeing more of what we see is just like smaller purchases from the U.S. whales, like $49,000. That 113 trillion purchase, that's not much for a whale. It's only $49,000. Like when you see the major purchases, they're like 100K plus, possibly even a million. Those are major purchases. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Like I said, I'm trying to keep this video short for today because a lot of people have been wanting the shorter videos. So this one's going to be a little bit short. Definitely hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want these automated trading indicators, definitely check out the Vital Algo link in the description and use the discount code Marsellis for 25% off. And if you want to help support the channel, definitely go ahead and send a donation through the Cash App and PayPal donation link in the description. And as always, I'll be back with another video. Peace.